So I was hoping you wearing the Black Stars jersey right now, you'll be jubilating. And I saw you moving around happily after the 2 goals. But now the expression on your face is otherwise.
Well, I'm not really surprised with the results, with the outcome, no. I'm not.
Why?
See, I enjoy football. I don't only watch football. Do you get it? So, if you have a coach who is indecisive with his substitution, that's what happens on the field of play. Yes. I'm saying this because you had your wings from the flanks. You had Joseph Pinto coming from the flanks to come and cut in to get you a penalty. You saw Kudus giving the ball to Gideon Mensah, to Jordan. Jordan cutting from the flanks and then to Kudus, and then it became a penalty. That should tell you your flanks are working more than your midfield. Do you get it? But what can he do? He can just bring on a flopped Baba Idrisu from our first match with Cape Verde and our second match with Egypt. He can just bring him on, because why do you take Richard Lamptey, the local player, to an AFCON and even take him out from a lineup? What did you see before you called him up? Do you get it? What did you see?
So you think the Baba Idrisu substitution was the deal breaker?
See, every coach will defend his win. And Chris Hughton brought Amate and then Ali Duseidu to defend your win. Do you get it? But what happened to the Dayu? The Dayu was not supposed to. You could have just read. Sometimes I say that Chris makes these players look useless, and somebody will tell you that it's not the coach's fault because the coach is not on the pitch. But trust me, tactical error counts in the field of play. Do you get it? You could have just played Jordan 10 because you had the win. Bench the Dayu. Bring on Nuama to come and take Jordan's position. Help Kudus to be cutting in and then soaking match was pressure after Ashmero got out. Do you get it? So me, I feel tactically, Chris Hughton is always getting things wrong.
So that's the problem.
We have a flop coach. We have a flop technical team. Even the AFCON itself that we had the chance to go to was a flop. Because looking at these matches that we've played, it shows clearly how we performed at the World Cup. Do you get it? It shows clearly how we perform at the World Cup. So I think for now we have a flop Black Star. Yeah.
According to you?
According to me.
Black Stars is a flop project. Charlie Hado, Ghana Black Stars.
My body order, but me my head self warm.
So if it is, then go do it.
Charlie, you score 2. 80 minutes. Then I like how you gonna bring the you person where you bench them with the play well now you bring them. See the way we retire.
But it be the day where you cause the goals.
First, it be the day where you cause the penalty. Make them score with the first one. So the moment they score with the first one, then go give him play against us for the second game. You see? So as them score, then give him say so then go fit here. You're not supposed to bring the day at the second half.
So right now Cape Verde qualified. Egypt has also qualified. Now we're hoping to be part of the top 3 third qualifiers.
Yeah.
You think say we still get hope?
We never get hope. With 2 points.
We'll be hopeless.
We'll be hopeless. The whole team, I say Ghana, Jordan, the brother. They're not supposed to bring them for the team self again. Make this be my last games in the play. So if it be them, be the team all in downfall.
Oh, at the end you're doing why hey, you know idea no. We be see. Ya boy dua na Moses. Ya na ya boy ehudua. Techrema. Ye dey anu be kan no na bi achi o. Ti wo dey fa we ye mfato ho. Last adi. Na ye be share na ye be fie na ye be fie. Nti ye shakura so in extra time. We how extra a year they told so keke. Pambrane dey abetete na equalize. And then they am ko one go project. You could it 2. Nti hwe techrema yie. Ye wo ka bia no. Eye adwumo. Umian cancer pama ye wo man ya ha na ye tie. So dey bia negative. Na ye be hye na enye ye. En hye nkomo ye be ka sesike be to agu multimedia obi abesesa da. We ye mu a ye be hye tese bibia ye negative. Are erade e dey sesa wonza wo ye so na no ayede. O mu akwa abana me no wase. Nyame nko na mo ha. Nti ye ne no wonkasa bebre o go straight to the papers. Ko adwe woni tiri mu no. Ko jegu ha ebe ha dwente ne nkasa se ben wo na make wa se me mo ache
boko de
oh nyame
okay then
I too gentle
well
maintain it
so at the end there
me see men can we
PR no mo dress wa ultimate show be we tie and die na say we there dem za buza PR on na nyame adma da junction kwasi other way okọ ware by ni entime ankobi no otopo no Adade junction na etime akota na
Adade junction no ho nyina
kaso akwan so so oje park na ho nyina it's a Tuesday January the Thursday during miensa 2024 the trading pojanko ponase set e bia no I say the storm is over in the so show him now cause bo ababa
as I see afi mu the Tuesdays no waja fasting no
minyan shase me say amount for 21 amount for 3 amount for 18 amount for 40 so you should be led by the spirit fiti preoccupant ka say me ya come chire de oti de wo hu de wakenkan de beba you should be led
so was adwin we bia say de nya na asem tama
me digu me hse me ne me man nyina no afi butari say ye nyina ye winam ye num su ye didi de emu fita ye de food special say the juice the
no so yen so
dabi bosume ye nyina de be si ofi obesi
so how de monye because baby adepa na insha baby adepa nam no
baby adepa wa yira kwai
adepa de
edo am ko am ga adepa ma be kan o ti o ka di o ti
ya mo figure adepa ya mo figure but omo de ayini be to be ma wo de no ne ye case study but any problem someone will say also ye be fa mo de ye be so de so bia no so de eye no munsuo na mo
so ye kwapa
no matter what and fat drinks
and go see so na
and then so we fruit juice so so an one so ye so
all right
it ye try na ye no munsuo ye da say be na say na one can hwe
but the nyane say
on nante na aba for their punishment eso omo nante omo ban so akentene no omo ko ho famra na ye ne ade omo ya de nye hwe e de ya ayi akansi obi ba di kan obi anso nyame
se ade no wasam no apa mai nti kase de ogu no
eno na otwa
de odu ano be kan
eno na eba
nti mini problem ya enko ani ti na bese ye ko ye de nyame anopai ni se koso hweso ye de wankasa wo ye na ye ni yi it's very important afenzo de tosu bi emi ankasa ye tailor ye yonko sonko Jerry ne papa da from ene na otwe da e wo winiba Jerry ba bia obutu bia no wasom Ghana wa kwanya sabi bi ntade pimpam ne ntade hye ne material papa Jerry ye kasa de radio to nsa ne papa nti ye nkota na chi na otwe de ye ne won hye nso no ebeba so
Mr. Gatti nyame fa crazy
me hu sa ayino Mr. Gatti
Gatti for the dos nti
okay bi so na yon okay
say dini de ya
eh ba fanti for so pe Gatti o Gatti say busheni modu Gatti
bi wo hono mo a
as we kokumas no abo adai cutlass no abo papa odi sa ampedi papa no odi one store by na friends
yana
then they transport ya so no adum debiu ampedi so kai
odi nyambo
debiu sa ampedi timi kai
onyina ampedi shia small boy wo ya wo oh papa edi amana family okay oh baby odi entwa
edi kuma se edi ni bi no wo ye bo ebi e bo century ena e bo ayi adai cutlass
ana wo ko ayi ahafuse ya wo bofa
bofo ejawo so atase edi ni bi wo a opewo mpewo region bia ne ebusua o ye den o matetimu wo
okowo tase ya kama play
ennamusa
enti mimi tu we ya say yes me
tamakura bushano
me de no nyai me be sre ma tia bata me ho tia mo nya stel ma ko
bia be rabia no ura hafu ura bunu east bebia titare musa eno so njeze mo ni nko biri obi you know afro papa Francis Poku Kumasi Poku transport o ma dia broso you know we dey na kwakaza e dini de tare ho ana Georgia mami kro so mo busu am pedu de WhatsApp papa
sama culture
aba we nyina kan fa mi so mai
okay
anti ya cheobia de kan say Ghana still go must move on Mr. let's put it behind there here kese say we should learn lessons
we
don't learn lessons see sua de politically ana socially and can be sure say yan such time be tin sema hodo to the book them dey bring my hokwan daily graphics say ahead of election 2024 so for on tanka samenti say ordinano to saba wonya kukudu akasa me penasem pa Reverend Dr. Ebenezer Makwe, General Overseer Living Streams International say be firm, fair, transparent. Reverend Makwe charges EC or Kasache Electoral Commission for Sabato Ebetu Yesremo moma makokunye du moma no kredi mo yes nye hu bia na mo we anase nyoma bia mo ye kana si bia debi oba any man say 3 petroleum revenue projects stall and a trade minister urges Chinese businesses to comply with laws. China for ni bi wonma omo ho ahom te chen bibia the Daybreak say leave upon paper alone and afi Ekunfi chiefs deny Mahama big one. Badwam launches 660 million youth women project. Any Mahanum say the new finder GRA laments revenue losses occasioned by SML suspension or her SML for omni GRA in common mudi back and for the GRA for truck as a debut a promucho. Some of my SML for Jumana or Moyana a capa Ghana bebono. Yes, young Cassibit media dance yes. Juma moye edin faso de brain mo monto asonye was moye mo hwehwe mum. Professor Dai emphasizes integrity in media practice. Yen so Professor Dai o de futu amaye. So the body centuria the here kese pa no nukredi e here pa ni gidi ani pa benya wo mu se o fiama ka asem we nko ade sa na tie. Kwabna santia ka asem we nko ade sa na tie nti yen the body centuria for no yes me entutu ya nimunyam ne ye nokredi ne entutu na jeje mu nipa yo mreyo na emumbiri bia da benya kwanya se wo kasa che nipa dodo na no magana ho asem ene nokredi ne enye candifo emfama o se na bebo ama woni munyam atimedi mu awi peyo. The new find anymore 250,000 young people get 660 million Ghana cedi to access dignified and unfulfilling jobs. The unconswaba Kumasi Ihuruso enyina enim dada ene na otwe pepepe else MPP amanyoku no ekoyi baabi e chairman wontumi hye bia no ene ko efficacy na omne ne ko di enkomo enim ha so will MPP allow BCU to contest primaries asimbisa only Richards BCU in fonyine ne OSP so fonyine abato yeru amwakwata me ofa prekope ofa mache enim se obutu o constituency wani hwede ekoso o say government builds capacity for 20 local contractors one by 2017 Ghana for this year road contractors I say aban boapayom washada momo gina omo na so yi pa say de be ya ombenya sa capacity no say jumadin bi eba Ghana ha kwan ho ya woni betimi afie bia na bi ho
Pastor Blankson me so forward o ma hinkro
oh good
so chia wo
Pastor Blankson
ono so ohwe pa ya damo ase munyina mo ka hunti na ahoma che sore enya bete nanso e de ani to mani mpe ya sore ni aba
kofi ambedu obegina me ka no ahimache oman
ti bi se juada pa na be ma atete agusa ade body na bre
mo ya di o
enya bete
adopa so oman mo ya di
enya easy
me that so still just
enya no pa so enya bete munti anti Pastor Blankson o man ko ya da se na nati wa wo dwaben eno no so hwe asante dwaben
na nati
na so no so just difference ane so nyina ha
also adani routine
yes ono anu akachem se ya meka de mu ye nyina kire na ti wa no pay ya chia o ya mu ache so
ya chia no pay
ene metichu bi edi won ma woda e be ma no ma me nka wa hanso awura ye Mary kofo amu akofo nana ya ma me ya social media
okay
autism
okay
wo mo dawo ene na woda ene wanya 51 years
wow
tina mi shira ni oti penze wa mu
yeah na say o ko kaza de ayo we tram so
o body ne o start and
bibia no koso
ene o hene year gifty antin so
ene so na woda
54
sounds a shock you. Yeah, they be a catch yourself my body.
Oh, to boss, the nipa mre yo nka obebi omusa.
Oh, menka wa bako sam kakra. Enti nyame hira.
Oh, wow, 54.
Because mun look, I think so mun number na sesa. Either
45 on
yeah.
And now, Yamia Shram too much, Uncle Swan Shram, come in fancy a similar. Tiada was some moment more dad, said it be a yen on a good year by enough health tips and also Abba halitosis and Munka. It be a nebi was so. As it be a more ding. Yan Obia would be dear, maybe more dear no. A yare. Tino, tea week, more home come. I don't know. I was a pencil, Mamma for Srinipa. Fancy, Ned Dimpo said, "Be will be so bit me approaching to why is I home? Because I'm not day. Yana will kind so many panania and you. To cover never and the while the few herba, any the few herba. And I didn't win my bonus as in Tony. The few herba, young Tradi and I to teach you who are fine, a chinning in a free hole. When no one also choose, set a man of film to cheap on an area. You're reading in a week, you my home come on a year caught near Twasso.